to the annual Kite Festival and Dog Fair, the best details.
Saturday, March 16th from 9 to 5 in McAllister Park. Go to WOAI.com for a full schedule of events. The Best of Tales. There's only one four-time NBA champion in Texas. There's only one 6:30 evening newscast in San Antonio. WOAI at 6:30. Local news when you need it. When it comes to new chicken tostadas at Pollo Loco, would you choose avocado and crispy bacon or avocado and fresh mango salsa? Take as long as you need. Introducing our new citrus mango and avocado bacon tostada salads. And Pollo Loco Crazy, you can taste.
Times are good, aren't they, kids? It's nice having you verse, isn't it? See, back in my day, we didn't have these newfangled wireless receivers. But we watched March Madness in the living room. That's where the TV outlet was. And if Mom was looking for book club, qualifying bundles. Reading. Great design doesn't have to be stodgy or snooty. It should be inclusive, not exclusive. That's why Mitsubishi redesigned the 2013 Outlander Sport. Lease one now for as low as $179 a month for 36 months. And pretentiousness. The newly redesigned Outlander Sport, winner of an IIHS top safety pick. Lease one now for as low as $179 a month for 36 months. Dodge is having their showcase event. When you constantly deliver what hasn't
Here it comes.
local, we're proud to introduce a new three-course family meal that's perfect for the whole family. Whether you're an omnivore, a carnivore, or a dessertivore. A three-course family meal, only $20. And Pollo Loco Crazy, you can taste. Here's your 4 Smart Shopper Daily Deal at WOAI.com.
He took a big chunk of time.
Mm-hmm.